Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. This saves wasted steps later. Make sure your case opener, screwdriver set, tweezers, and spring bar tool are laid out. You should work on a flat mat under strong light at about a 60 degrees angle so you can see tiny parts. Once the strap is removed, power down the watch to prevent damage. This first action is practical and deliberate. It sets you up for precise, calm work and reduces the chance of dropping screws. You now open the case carefully, applying steady pressure with the opener and rotating evenly to avoid slips. Once open, inspect the movement and take photos to document bridge positions, rotor orientation, and gear layout. Photos are your reference when reassembling. Use precision tweezers and the smallest screwdrivers for delicate parts, and place screws in labeled trays so you know where each goes. Make sure to note any loose or corroded parts. Addressing those early prevents compounding problems later. You reassemble by working in reverse order, aligning bridges and gears, and tightening screws until firm. Avoid over-torquing, which strips threads. Once assembled, test the crown and all functions, then perform a basic water resistance check if applicable, and observe timekeeping for 24 to 48 hours to confirm stability. If something fails, retrace your photos step by step to spot misaligned parts. Make sure to check gaskets and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.